There is no way we're eating that adorable little thing. He's too cute. I picked us a nice woodland salad.
Perfect.
I can't get the fire started.
That's not how you start a fire. Let me show you. Whoa! Ow, ow, ow! Knock it off! Stop it! Ow, ow!
This is just getting sad.
Ow, ow, ow!
Listen, if you guys admit you lost the bet, we'll help you with the tent and fire and share our food with you.
No way! We may have had a few minor setbacks, but this isn't over till it's over. Tomorrow's another day.
Yeah, if you live to see it. Here's some food, guys.
Look what they've got us doing.
Where?
Knuckles, we're going to have to use our brains.
Good idea. And while I'm doing that, you think of something.
I got it. We'll just follow them. Then, right before they reach the finish line, we'll run ahead and win. I don't know what we were so worried about 15 seconds ago.
I don't even remember 15 seconds ago.
Look at those losers. Going to bed when there's a whole night ahead of us.
Let's go blindfold ourselves and run into the forest to see if we can find our way back.
Yeah.
All right. And action!